Hey friends, welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Atelier channel where I, Paige, have a swivel chair and I'm going to give us a pep talk in a 60-second video. Have you done what you can today to do your part in dismantling white supremacy? Good. Let's take a minute for ourselves, shall we? We right now are in a place where we want to give our time, our money, our focus. And that is a wonderful thing that we should be doing. But we also need to take time for ourselves, take time to recharge, take time for our projects, our personal projects, our work projects, things that we can just do for fun. And that is writing. Work, fun, sometimes stressful, but something that a lot of us need to maintain that sanity in our lives. It can be our therapy. It can be something that we do when we can't sleep at night. I often will pull out my phone and start typing when I'm feeling anxious and like the world is just too heavy on my chest. Make time for you. Make time for your story. Your stories are valid. They need to be told. They need to be written, and you are the only person who can do that. So don't feel guilty for taking a moment, taking a couple moments for yourself. Right now, it's important for us, if we haven't done so previously, to try to figure out how to work activism into our daily lives. Daily, something woven in with how we operate normally. And to operate normally, we need to write. We need to wash our hair. We need to make sure we're eating meals, taking showers, sleeping. Sleep is so important. Honestly, if anyone told me, like, I just need to take a day to catch up on sleep, I wouldn't judge them. That is valid. Remember that you cannot pour from an empty cup. Yes, we want to give generously, we want to do all that we can, but we have to take care of ourselves and the people around us as well. So be good to yourself, work on your stories. That was a whole lot of rambles. I've been away for a couple weeks. I have missed you. Please take care of yourselves, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.